Today we're going to do Lesson 2 of writing a Getting to Know You letter. Today we're going to plan our letter. You need this paper in front of you. This is where we're going to write our ideas down. So the first thing we're going to fill out is our name. So on the top of your paper, go ahead and write your name. Next, we're going to circle whether we're a boy or a girl. I'm a girl, so I'm going to circle girl. Then we're going to fill in our age. I'm 36, so I'm going to write 36. You're going to write your age on the line. Next, we're going to answer the following questions. We're going to try and put 2 to 3 things under each section. Now, because this is a plan, we don't have to write incomplete sentences. We only need enough information so that we know what we're talking about. So the first section is about home and family. For this part, you can write about many different things. You could tell where you live, or you could write about your house or whether you live in an apartment. You can also write about the people that you live with. One thing I'm going to write in mine is the city that I live in. So I live in Pine Bush. So I'm going to write live in Pine Bush. Notice I didn't write a sentence. I just wrote enough information so I know what I'm talking about. Next, I'm going to write about my family. So I have a husband, and his name is Jacques, and I have 2 small children. So I have a 2-year-old whose name is Emmett, and I have a 4-year-old whose name is Aurelia. I've written 2 things in this section, so now I'm going to move on. Things I like to do. I'm going to focus on just a few things that I like to do right now. So one thing that I like to do is to teach. So I'm going to list that. Another thing that I enjoy doing is playing with my children. And I also really enjoy doing fall activities, such as apple picking. So I'm going to list that. Now that I have 3 things in this section, I'm going to move on to the last one, something interesting about me. In this part, you want to pick something that most people don't know about you. So you can pick 1 or 2 things. So the first thing I'm going to write is that I can juggle, because I know how to juggle. And that's kind of an interesting fact that people wouldn't guess about me. And maybe I'll also add that I'm an identical twin, because that's something else a lot of people don't know. Now that I've filled in my plan and I have 2 to 3 things in each section, I'm ready to move on to the next step. So you can go ahead and watch Lesson 3 for writing a Getting to Know You letter. If you are not finished with your plan, go ahead and take some time to really think about and make sure that each part of your plan is filled in. Good luck!